Going to be making some little natural edge bowls out of all these pieces you see here. So today I want to make at least 5 of them. I can sell them at 20 bucks a piece. At the next show, I made 100 bucks today. And I know I can do that because I do it all the time. So the first thing we need to do is we need to set them up so that we can drill them and put them on my chuck. I have a chuck here that's just a, it's just a regular chuck, but it's got the tiny jaws on it. So I'm just using my cordless drill here and a Forstner bit that fits, and I don't need to measure the center. I've been doing this so long I can get them close enough just pretty much by looking. Sounds like my battery's running a little low on my cordless drill here. I always keep a spare one plugged in. First ones were Bradford pear. This one is camphor. It seems to be a little harder. Ooh, I can smell that camphor already. We'll save this one till last to open up my sinuses. I think we'll do this little one here first. I always bring the tailstock up anytime I can for safety reasons. It's a good practice. Let's hope the bark stays on. Bradford pear cuts like butter. I want to reverse chuck this so I can finish the bottom while I still have stuff up here to hook into. bottom first, and then once the bottom's done, I wouldn't have to worry about it. I can do whatever I want to the top. The bottom will be all set.
Here it comes. Watch for it. Now let's go back with the magic of movies. Okay, right here I stopped my lathe and put it in reverse so that I can cut the other side. It's much easier to do it this way. If you look closely right here, I've lost some of the bark on both sides of my bowl. So I'm going to have to do my faux bark thing. If you haven't seen that video, you want to watch it. It's a good one. It takes me about an hour to make one of these little natural edge bowls. And the reason I make them is because they sell really quick at art shows, and I can always count on getting $20, $25, $30 a piece for them. So if I make 10 or so of these bowls, I can make $300-400, which will cover the cost of me entering the art show. So it's a real good way to ensure that at least I break even at an art show if I have a few of these nice bowls. I'll sand this bowl while it's still on the lathe. I usually start at about 80 grit, and I'll probably go through 220. After that, I'll put a couple, maybe 3 coats of shellac on it, because shellac is quick and easy, dries fast. I don't have to sand between coats. So after 3 shellac coats, this bowl will be pretty much finished and ready to go. The bowl that I made in this video is the one in the middle on the top row. Take a look at it. You can't even see where the bark came off. That's my faux bark at work. Well, that wraps up another episode of Expressions in Wood. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure and hit the like button down there, and if you haven't subscribed, click on my little picture over there and ring the bell. I would appreciate it if you would share this video with your friends. It helps me grow my channel. Thanks a lot. This is Woodpops. See you in the next one.